Faith is like Himalayan mountain which cannot possibly change. Written by Mahatma Gandhi. Hello everyone, this is Kasturi and you are watching SST Buzz. Today we are going to focus on the Himalayan mountain and we are going to learn about the latitudinal and longitudinal division of Himalaya. So लेट्स गेट गोइंग. तो फिर पहले हम लैटिट्यूडिनल डिवीजन से स्टार्ट करते हैं. सो द लैटिट्यूडिनल डिवीजन दैट वुड बी डन बाय नॉर्थ टू साउथ. Okay, so north to south according to their height we are going to divide. So first loftiest, that is Himadri, then in middle, that is Himachal, and the bottommost, that is known as, that range name is Shivalik. Okay, so now look here, I have made a table for your better understanding. Now might be you are thinking why she has made that table. I'm explaining that reason. Actually, suppose you are three cousins and it's very difficult to remember their age. Okay, so how you are going to remember? She is 3 years elder than me, he is 2 years younger than me, isn't like that? Here also Himadri, Himachal, Shivalik, there we are making link. They are like three cousins and we are going to write all this information according to that comparison base. ठीक है? So first one Himadri already we have drawn over here. So we are going to write there all this average height. So for Himadri 6,000 meter, that is average height. Now for Himachal that would be 3,700 to 4,500 meter, and for Shivalik that would be 900 to 1,000 meter. Okay, now look, very easily we can segregate, we can separate them according to their height. For width, so here actually for that Himadri only, Himadri actually spread it over. In longitudinal division we will go through that. Actually Himadri from Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh, it's spread it over. So that's why its width also we are going to write twice. First one, that is western, means from here we are going to start, then east we are going to extend from here, Arunachal Pradesh. So west here width is there 400 kilometer and eastern part that is 150 kilometer. Fine. So now Himachal width is 50 kilometer and Shivalik is very thinner, so its width is 10 to 15 kilometer. Okay, so that much clear. Now called as, जैसे कि you have 2-3 names, पापा मम्मी एक बुलाते हैं, नाना नानी और एक नाम से बुलाते हैं, like that they have also 2-3 names are there. So that also very important and every year we used to get question from here. So Himadri is also known as Inner Himalaya. Himachal is known as Lesser Himalaya. And Shivalik is known as Outer Himalaya. Okay, so according to height that name has been given. ठीक है? सो इनर हिमालय, एक्चुअली हिमालयन रीजन में ये सबसे ज़्यादा हाइट है, लॉफ्टीएस्ट है, सो दैट्स वाई इनर हिमालय. लेसर हिमालय वी हैव कंपेयर्ड विथ हिमाद्री, सो हियर इट्स हाइट इज लिटिल लेसर, सो दैट्स वाई लेसर हिमालय. एंड आउटर हिमालय एक्चुअली हिमालय रेंज में है बट अकॉर्डिंग टू हाइट, सो दिस इज एक्चुअली आउट ऑफ मीन्स द नेक्स्ट टू दैट हिमाचल रेंज, सो दैट्स वाई its name is Outer Himalaya. Okay, now we will go for features and example. Features first, Himadri first features is there very loftiest. क्यों? क्योंकि 6000 already we have got to know, so लिख लेते हैं loftiest. ठीक है. Now next, it's continuous. It start from Ladakh and it's end over by Arunachal Pradesh. It's continuous. So next one, continuous. Okay. Next one, that composed by granite. That is the specialty of Himadri. So done. So these are the special features of Himadri. Now we will go for example. Mount Everest, Nanda Devi, Kanchenjunga, so many are there, but here we are going to write Mount Everest and Nanda Devi. Okay, done. Now next we will go for Himachal. Himachal, the special features of Himachal is hill station. We all love to visit over there. So that such kind of questions very often we used to get, that what are the special features of Himachal. So here, that hill station. What are they? If you are taking example, now here hill stations are there. Even example, Pir Panjal, Dhauladhar, all these ranges are there also. But hill station specially, we will write Kashmir Valley, then Kulu, and all these. Now Shivalik. Shivalik, the special features is there, Dun. Very important 1 mark question. Longitudinal valley. Longitudinal valley. So it comes, what is the meaning of Dun, and give example of Dun. So example over here, Dehradun and Kotli Dun, even Patlidun also. So this is all about latitudinal division of Himalaya. From here endless questions we are going to get. So they may ask about what they are called, so what are the special features. Even example of Himalayan range would be given. You need to find out from which section it is. So this is really, just go through this table very nicely. Though end of the video I am going to send you the same pics, so it would be very easier to you. But if you are going through in this way, that would be really easier to remember. तो फिर हम longitudinal division के बारे में जानते हैं. जैसे क्या लैटिट्यूडिनल डिवीजन में हमने क्या किया था, नॉर्थ टू साउथ हमने अकॉर्डिंग टू हाइट हमने डिवाइड किया था. सो हियर फॉर लॉन्गिट्यूडिनल डिवीजन हम कैसे डिवीजन करेंगे, फ्रॉम वेस्ट टू ईस्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू रीजन हम इनको 4 into 4 प्लेस हम डिवाइड करेंगे. सो व्हाट आर दे, फर्स्ट लेट मी मार्क, that would be easier to explain. Okay, so you can see 1 2 3 4 डिवीजन में हमने डिवाइड कर लिया, एंड दैट इज फ्रॉम वेस्ट टू ईस्ट. नाउ एक के बाद एक हम नाम लिखेंगे. नाउ ऐसे तुम योर क्वेश्चन वुड बी देयर कि हाउ दे आर एक्चुअली डिमार्केटेड. देखो जब तुम छोटे थे, याद कुछ आ रहा है, इस तरह से तुम ड्राइंग बनाते थे, है ना, और कलर भी फिल करते थे. कुछ याद आ रहा है? डेफिनेटली यू हैव डन. सो एक वन माउंटेन टू अनदर माउंटेन डिमार्केटेड बाय रिवर वैली. ओके, सो ये सारे जो भी डिवीजन हमने किया, ऑल दिस डिवीजन डिमार्केटेड बाय रिवर. ओके, सो this is in from here Indus flow. So from Indus river to Satluj, that region name is Punjab Himalaya. That Himalayan region is there, Punjab Himalaya. Now from here Satluj to Kali, that Himalaya name is Kumayan Himalaya. ठीक है. Now from Kali to Tista, that is known as Nepal Himalaya. क्यों नेपाल हिमालय? Because Nepal is situated here, so according to that, Nepal Himalaya. Now from here, Sikkim to that border of Sikkim to that Assam, that portion is known as Assam Himalaya. ठीक है, यहाँ तक क्लियर है. Now from here, the moment this is the eastern border of Himalaya. So from here Himalaya bends towards south, and that is also very sharply. ठीक है, देखो इस तरह से from here, again from here to Mizoram, we can find out all these that hills are there, and these hills name according to their state name. So here we can find out Naga Hill, then Manipur Hill, Mizo Hill, इस तरह से. So though it's in eastern part, so its name is Purvanchal. Okay, Purvanchal. So eastern hill. Now, so I'm going to write all these names so it will be easier. So this river Indus, then this one river Satluj, now next this is Kali, here Tista, and now next it is Dihang. Okay, and actually from there Brahmaputra enter into India. So this is all about longitudinal divisions. So now here, from here, one more question, important questions we used to get. What are the special characteristic of Purvanchal? Okay, so from here two special features are there. First one, we can observe very dense forest, that area, and the second one, the speciality is there, very that Purvanchal composed by that composed of strong sandstone. Okay, so these are the two characteristic of Purvanchal. So this is all about longitudinal division. If you have any queries related latitude, longitudinal division, so feel free to ask me. Definitely I will be waiting. Thank you so much for watching. Tata, bye bye.